see if we get the W in the Fox. Yeah, tell the people.
Okay. So the first time, there's a whole bunch of factors I've never had before. A car keeping up with me, that's a first. Like, the car being next to me was scary enough.
Yeah.
But two, your exhaust is so damn loud. So we hit it, I hit it in second, and you hit it, and I can't hear my bike, and I'm like, shit. So I immediately go to shift, and then I look down at my tach, I'm like nowhere near shifting.
Oh,
and
no.
I'm like, I don't know. So I try to put it, I guess I'll try to shift anyways. And in that, like, just that smidge of hesitation, you jumped like 10 car. I was like, holy shit. And then even after I shifted, it looked like you're still pulling. So
yeah,
like,
I looked.
There's nothing I could do there.
I had the footage going on my phone. So as it was recording, I'm looking down, like seeing where you are, and I'm like, oh, he is way back there. Buses.
Yeah. The second time is when I knew I'm not that good at riding. I was like, I'm just gonna leave it in third. Yeah. And I'm just gonna dirt bike race. I came like, I thought I was gonna rip the handlebar off. Normally, I don't even know if I fully.
Dude, you know what's crazy is I
don't know if you saw, but I actually moved my knee. I was like, this is gonna be maximum. My wrist is bent.
What's crazy is I got on. I put it in second, and I just laid into it, and it jumped hard, and then it must have just slung the belt, which actually I haven't even looked at yet.
That would have been a good one.
Yeah,
that one would have been a lot better.
Hopefully it just came off. Oh, it's gone.
It was a lot of fun. Oh, it's just too far back. I was like,
oh, check this out. Like, look at that. It looks like the pulley disintegrated. Look at that pulley right there.
Holy shit.
Dude,
I've never seen that.
Dude, that pulley exploded.
It must have been from.
Holy hell, dude.
Do you think? God, yeah. Well, that's where your belt went.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Unless the belt snapped. No, that wouldn't make sense.
No, dude, that thing exploded.
Dude, that's insane.
Well, hopefully everybody liked the video. We actually also went to VMP that day, but there's a lot of footage from that, so that's actually going to be coming out in a separate video. I really just wanted to keep this to the R1 repair and the race between Kenny and I. We'll probably be having a rematch here whenever I get a new pulley. By the way, for those who watched the video and saw that, this is the pulley that exploded and shredded my belt, or I guess, yeah, my belt's gone. So I'm actually going to go back on it's only like a mile from my house, so I'm going to go see if I can find it. Yeah, so don't run stock pulleys when you're running that much horsepower. I don't know if that's a thing or not, but I run a lot of Metco pulleys, and they do more than just look cool. They are a lot more durable. They're thicker than this, and I think they're a little bit lighter as well. But they're great products. So if you have a Cobra, Terminator, GT500, anything like that, I highly recommend running Metco pulleys to prevent something like this from ever happening. This is about 26 pounds worth of boost. You can also kind of see the marks that my belt was leaving on it. I think the belt was slipping, and that's why I want to go to the bigger pulley setup, 4 pound lower and 3.2 upper. Probably bring it down to like 24-ish pounds of boost. Yep. Keep a lookout for the next video coming up here in the next day or two. Got some goodies from VMP. Little update from Justin, actually the owner of VMP, talks about what I bought is not really a kit. Not yet, at least. They're coming out with it. So you can kind of get a sneak peek of something that's going to be offered on some of the Cobras. Pretty much just intake related. And yeah, anything else? Also, I did get my Facebook page up. So at Foxaholics, you'll find the Facebook page that is tied to this channel. It's pretty much an extension of this channel. And that's where you're going to be able to buy stickers, shirts, hats, keychains, stuff like that. A lot of that stuff is going to be starting to go on sale here soon, probably the first week of January. That's my target goal. Other than that, other events were coming up. I'm going to be competing with the Fox at Streetcar Takeover in Bradenton, Florida. I think for sure I'm going to do a roll race class. There's one roll race class with a max trap speed of 150, and my car is just under that, so I think I'll be pretty competitive. And I might run the 10.0 index class, streetcar class for quarter mile heads up racing. So I'm definitely going to get some footage from that. Hopefully I can get Garrett to do a short snippet with me finally. He's mentioned that he wanted to do it before. For those of you who don't know who I'm talking about, Garrett Mitchell is Cletus McFarland. He actually really does like he likes my car a lot, and whether he's being nice, I don't know, but he seems pretty genuine. He was a pretty big fan of it when he saw it at FL2K and a couple other shows I've seen him at. Now when I see him, he actually knows who I am. But he's on a whole nother level of YouTube fame and all that. So, but if everything works out and we can make a video, that'll be great. All right, guys. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share the videos. Thank you. Bye.
This is a plug for after I win. Supercharged's awesome for sale. $3 grand, no problem. I got you. You want to go fast? I got you.